One morning, Nina requested her grandpa to go for fishing with her. Grandpa, after quite a lot convincing, agreed, but he said, Nana, better you do fishing peacefully, without making any noise. Nana agreed. When they reached there was a beautiful weather and silence. But suddenly an aeroplane came and started flying up in the sky. Mm, mm. Grandpa gets irritated and says, Oh no, the sound is so loud. Nana also starts saying, mm, mm, and kept her arms wide open. And again she said, mm, mm. So here, the sound that you hear is mm, mm. So sound of N is example et net I p nip I l nil. If you like my video, kindly share, like and subscribe. Thank you.